Hey everyone, it's John here, the Carnivore Teacher. I'm back again with my mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of the Body. Today we're going to focus on one of the most vital and misunderstood systems, the digestive system. This is the engine that fuels every other system in your body. Let's dive in. What is the digestive system? It's a long and complex pathway that starts in your mouth and ends in your anus. Its job is to break down the food you eat, extract vital nutrients, and eliminate waste. It includes your mouth, your salivary glands breaking down food, esophagus, which transports food from the mouth to the stomach, which uses acid and enzymes to break down protein and kill harmful microbes, small intestine, which is the main site for nutrient absorption, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. These secrete bile and digestive enzymes for breaking down fats and proteins and carbs. The colon, the large intestine, processes waste, absorbs water, and supports gut microbiota. And the rectum and anus, which expel waste. What damages this digestive system? You guessed it, excess sugar and refined carbs from a modern diet and bad habits. They feed harmful bacteria and yeast, disrupt the microbiome, and cause bloating, gas, and a leaky gut. Seed oils and trans fats promote gut inflammation. They damage the lining and impair bile flow and enzyme activity. Excessive plant fibers and anti-nutrients, lectins, oxalates, and other plant compounds irritate the gut lining, hamper mineral absorption, and disrupt the microbiome. Alcohol and toxins damage the gut lining and kill beneficial bacteria. A sedentary lifestyle reduces gut motility, causing constipation and discomfort. And chronic stress increases cortisol and can reduce stomach acid and enzyme production. So how can the carnivore diet support the digestive system? As we move away from highly processed, fiber-heavy, and inflammatory foods and focus on animal-based nutrition, the digestive tract has an opportunity to heal and thrive. Easy to digest proteins and fats. Meat is highly bioavailable, reducing the burden of breakdown and allowing the gut to recover. Supports a healthy gut lining. By removing irritants like lectins, oxalates, and gluten, the gut lining can heal, reducing leaky gut and bloating. Stabilizes the microbiome. The shift away from refined carbs and plant toxins promotes a more balanced and resilient microbiota. Supports strong stomach acidity. It helps break down protein efficiently and kill pathogenic microbes. And it delivers rich, bioavailable nutrients, provides iron, zinc, B12, amino acids, and fatty acids crucial for tissue repair and enzyme production. So the benefits you might see on carnivore are people who adopt this way of eating notice reduced bloating, gas, discomfort, improved regularity in bowel movements, stronger stomach acid, better protein digestion, reduced acid reflux and heartburn, healing from conditions like leaky gut, IBS and IBD, and improved nutrient absorption and overall energy levels. So, the digestive system is the foundation of your overall health. It's how you extract the vital nutrients your body needs to thrive. By removing irritants like sugar, seed oils, alcohol, and plant anti-nutrients, and focusing on a species-appropriate animal-based diet, you're allowing your digestive tract to do its job effectively and efficiently. Remember, when your gut is healthy, every other part of your body benefits. So, stay strong, stay nourished, and stay carnivore, my friends. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this with a friend or a family member, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video.